All the lights of the world cannot be compared even to the ray of the inner light, and enjoy the festivals of light.
Minds, enlighten your hearts, and strengthen human bonds in your homes and communities and splendor.
A warm Diwali wish for every happiness. May the warmth and splendor that are a part of the auspicious occasion fill your life with happiness and bright cheer, and bring to you joy and prosperity for the whole year.
Today,
And I, Sita,
welcome you all to today's special assembly on Diwali. So let's start our assembly with the blessings of God. Join your hands, close your eyes, and get ready for the Gayatri Mantra.
ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति।
now I would like to invite David for thought of the day.
Namaskar. Thought for the day. An occasion to celebrate victory over defeat, light awareness over ignorance. An occasion to celebrate life. May this auspicious occasion light up your life with happiness, joy, and peace. Happy Diwali.
Thank you, David, for a wonderful thought.
मुस्कुराते हंसते दीप तुम जलाना, जीवन में नई खुशियों को लाना, दुख दर्द अपने भूलकर सबको गले लगाना और प्यार से ही दिवाली बनाना. Now I would like to invite Aaron, Hriday and Pushti for today's news headlines.
Namaskar everyone. Today, I, Arun, of class 8, will tell you national news. Supreme Court favors crackers ban, says preserving life most important. Government likely to announce stimulus package around Diwali. 68% Bihar poll winners facing criminal cases. RJD tops list. The 12 ministers of Modi tested COVID positive. Thank you.
Today's international news: the travel bubble between Singapore and Hong Kong is a really important step toward the recovery of airline industry as it is rebuilt for the impact of COVID-19 pandemic, said by the national carrier Singapore Airline SIA on Wednesday, 11th of November. The first flight under the travel bubble will depart from Singapore on 22nd November, and the first flight from Hong Kong will depart on 23rd November.
Namaskar everyone, my name is Hriday. I read in class 8. Today's school news is Diwali break will start on 13th November, and today's sports news is Mumbai Indian won the IPL. Thank you.
Thank you, Arun, Hriday, and Pushti. Now, I would like to invite Jivanshi, Shrishti, Ujjwal, and Bhuvan for a speech on Diwali.
Namaskar to one and all present here. Today, I, Jivanshi of Form 8B, am here to present a speech on Diwali in front of you. Diwali is one of India's biggest festivals. The word Deepavali means row of lighted lamps. It is a festival of lights and Hindus celebrate it with a joy. During this festival, people light up their houses with diyas. They worship Lord Ganesha for welfare and prosperity and Goddess Lakshmi for wealth and wisdom. This festival is celebrated in Hindu month of Kartik Masam, which falls sometime during October or November. It is celebrated to mark the return of Lord Rama after 14 years of exile and his victory over demon Ravana. In many parts of India, Deepavali is celebrated for 5 consecutive days. Hindus regard it as a celebration of life and use the occasion to strengthen relationships. In some parts of India, it marks the beginning of the new year. People clean and decorate their house before the festival. They do colorful rangoli arts on the floor. Hindus light up their homes and shops to welcome Goddess Lakshmi and to give them good luck for the new year ahead. A few days before, people start to clean their houses. On the day of Deepavali, people put on their best clothes and exchange greetings, gifts, and sweets with their friends and family. At night, buildings are decorated with earthen lamps, candlesticks, and electric bulbs. Sweets and toy shops are decorated to attract the passers-by. The streets are overcrowded. People buy sweets for their family members and also send them as presents to their friends and relatives. The goddess Lakshmi is also worshipped in the form of silver coin. Hindus believe that on this day, Lakshmi only enters houses which are neat and tidy. People offer prayers for their own health, wealth, and prosperity. They leave the light on in the buildings, believing that Lakshmi will not have difficulty in finding her way in. So that's my speech on this Diwali. May this festival brings happiness and prosperity to your life. Happy Diwali to one and all. Thank you. Srishti, please unmute.
Good afternoon, everyone present here. Today I am on Diwali. Diwali is one of India's biggest and main festival. The meaning of Diwali is rows of lighted lamps. This festival is a festival of lights. Hindus celebrate it with very much joy in this festival. People light up their houses with diyas. People worship Lord Ganesha and Goddess Lakshmi for wealth and wisdom. Diwali is most likely the brightest festival in the world. People of various religions celebrate Diwali. Most significant that this festival signifies the victory of light over darkness. This also indicates the victory of good over evil, knowledge over ignorance. There are bright lights all over the whole country during Diwali. In my speech, we will know the religious and spiritual importance of it. The religious value of Diwali is the importance of this festival has many differences. It varies from one region to other regions in India. There is a link up of many deities, cultures, and traditions with Diwali. The reason for these differences is possibly local harvest festivals. Therefore, there was a blend of these harvest festivals into one pan Hindu festival. The spiritual value of Diwali is it positively an occasion where people overlook disputes. Hence, friendships and relationships become stronger during Diwali. People throw out all feelings of hatred from their hearts.
Finally, to sum it up, Diwali is a great joyful event in India. One cannot visualize the delightful contribution of this glorious festival. Diwali is surely one of the greatest festivals in the world. Thank you.
Namaskar to one all present here. Today, I, Ujjwal of class 8B, am going to present a speech on Diwali. Diwali is the festival of lights. It is one of the widest celebrated Hindu festivals. It falls on the new moon night of the Kartik Mass in Hindu mythology. According to tradition, people celebrate the arrival of Lord Rama, his wife, and his brother Lakshman from exile after 14 years in the jungle, and the victory of Lord Rama over the demon king Ravana. People light their homes with oil lamps and diyas. Nowadays, people use fluorescent lights, diyas, and oil lamps and decorate their doorsteps with rangolis. People light fireworks and the god and are worship the goddess Saraswati, Ganesha, and Lakshmi. Goddess Lakshmi is the goddess of wealth, and it is considered that she enters the home during this great festival. Thank you.
Namaste everyone. Today I Bhuvan Hanspal of class 8B is going to tell you how to celebrate Diwali during COVID-19. We want to be with our families while celebrating Diwali, and that's what everyone wants. But we should be very careful about celebrating Diwali and spreading COVID by accident. Many occasions across the UK has been cancelled due to coronavirus. It is important to follow guidelines of your local authority to keep your family and community safe. Now I am going to tell you how to celebrate Diwali during COVID-19. We should not meet people who we do not usually meet. We should look for the local temple if they are doing any worship or prayers to to check us online. We should wash our hands with the soap for 20 seconds or sanitize every time we touch a surface. We should not gather large amount of people. We should meet people outdoor including a garden or a park. We should wear a face mask. We should not hug or touch people for the greetings. And last point, clean your home. Thank you and have a nice day. Happy Diwali. I hope you have a happy and safe Diwali. Namaste everyone.
Truly said. Thank you for the speech.
पल पल सुनहरे फूल खिले कहीं नहीं कांटों का आसमान.
जिंदगी आपकी खुशियों से भरी रहे, दिवाली पर हमारी यही शुभकामना.
Now I would like to invite Hriday and Vishwam for a dance performance. Wow, what a spectacular dance!
Music is a moral law. It gives soul to universe, wings to the mind, flight to imagination, and charm to life, and everything. Now, I would like to invite Siddhi and Daksh for poem recitation.
Namaskar to one and all present here. Today I, Siddhi of is here to recite a poem on Diwali. Diwali is delight, Diwali is delight. No dark night, everywhere light. Things are bright, Diwali is delight. Have sweet white fireworks at height. Joyful sight, Diwali is delight. Bliss and peace we should invite. On this lit Diwali night, let the glow be bright and bright. Nothing dark should be in sight. Let not crackers show their might, nor should smoke reach new height. Let not pollution sharply bright. Do what you can in this fight. Let's enjoy the tasty diet, but for display it's only night. Diwali's delight, Diwali's delight. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम दक्ष आर्य है। आज मैं आप सबके सामने एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रहा हूँ जिसका शीर्षक है दिवाली। छोड़ छाड़ कर द्वेष भाव को मीत प्रीत की रीत निभाओ। दिवाली के शुभ अवसर पर मन से मन का दीप जलाओ। क्या है तेरा क्या है मेरा, जीवन 4 दिन का फेरा। दूर कर सको तो कर डालो मन का गहन अंधेरा। निंदा नफरत बुरी आदतों से पाओ छुटकारा। दिवाली के शुभ अवसर पर मन से मन का दीप जलाओ। खूब मिठाई खाओ छक्कर, लड्डू बर्फी गुजिया चमचम, पर पर्यावरण का रखना ध्यान, बम खई ना फोड़े कान। दिवाली के शुभ अवसर पर मन से मन का दीप जलाओ। धन्यवाद।
Now, I would like to invite Sarthak to sing a song.
Namaskar. Today, I, Sarthak Saini of class 8th B, is going to sing a song on Diwali. ये दिन यहाँ में हर कहीं बर्थडे रोशनी उसी के प्यार की दिन दिन से मना दे हर चेहरा वो खिला दे रुत लाए आज खुशियों की ये दिन यहाँ से हर कहीं बर्थडे रोशनी उसी के प्यार की दिन से मिला दे हर चेहरा वो खिला दे रुत लाए आज खुशियों की मेरे तुम्हारे सबके लिए हैप्पी दिवाली। सारे सितारे उसके लिए हैप्पी दिवाली। मेरे तुम्हारे सबके लिए हैप्पी दिवाली। सारे सितारे उसके लिए हैप्पी दिवाली। थैंक
Thank you for the beautiful poem and song.
Now, I would like to invite David and Shrishti for telling interesting facts.
Namaskar. Facts about Diwali. Diwali is an important religious festival originally in India. People often think Diwali as a Hindu festival, but it is also celebrated in Sikhs and Jains. The city of Leicester in United Kingdom holds the largest Diwali celebration outside of India. Today, this fascinating festival is celebrated by thousands of people in countries all around the world.
दीपावली का त्योहार हिंदुओं का प्रमुख त्योहार है। दीपावली हर वर्ष कार्तिक महीने के 15वें दिन को मनाया जाता है। इस त्योहार को लगभग 800 मिलियन लोग विभिन्न तरीकों से मनाते हैं। यह त्योहार धन और समृद्धि की देवी लक्ष्मी के सम्मान में मनाया जाता है। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Divit and Shrishti, for this information. An occasion to celebrate victory over defeat, light over darkness, awareness over ignorance, an occasion to celebrate life.
Fun, cheer your days in this festive season of Diwali and always. Hope you all like the special assembly. Now, I would like to invite Principal Ma'am to say a few words.
Namaskar, everyone.
Namaskar.
Namaskar, ma'am.
Namaskar, ma'am.
Namaskar, Beta. I'm really happy to see you all giving such good performance. Everyone has made very good efforts and under the guidance of their class teacher and Mr. Raghav also made good efforts to make this assembly really fruitful. So as you all know, today is a very special day for us. We are here for this special assembly on the occasion of Diwali, which is known as the Festival of Lights. You have already given a lot more information about Diwali, and that is the Festival of Lights. It is the synonym of removing darkness by welcoming light. So we are having this online assembly. You already know because of COVID-19 pandemic. That's why we are all here. So while sitting at home also, you have to celebrate Diwali in a very eco-friendly manner by saying no to crackers. I know children, they have temptation towards these things. They like to burn crackers, but you have to be very careful. You don't have to make use of crackers. As you know, how excessive smoke of crackers, it leads to death of birds and animals and even make people also sick. 3-4 days back also you saw how was the weather. So this is all happening because of all cracker burning and certain other things, as you are already aware of it. Global warming effect you can see. So you all have to take care and celebrate Diwali in a very decent way. You all know the value of sharing and share your gifts with your domestic helpers who really need them. So once I wish you all a very happy, healthy and safe Diwali. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now it's time for school song and national anthem.
आँखों में सफलता के सपने सुहाने, दिल में सच्ची इरादे ठाने। आँखों में सफलता के सपने सुहाने, दिल में सच्ची इरादे ठाने। श्री के आदर्शों की नींव पर चले हम नया जहां बसाने। संयम और मानवता का मिलकर करें विकास। श्रेष्ठता को पाना है अब तो यही हमारा अटल विश्वास। आंखों में सफलता के सपने सुहाने, दिल में सच्चे इरादे ठाने। आंखों में सफलता के सपने सुहाने, दिल में सच्चे इरादे ठाने। विरासत में मिला हमें है प्रचुर परंपरा का भंडार। गर्व से प्रण लेते हैं हम रखेंगे इन बुनियादों को संभाल। धैर्य और निश्चय से हम लक्ष्य की ओर बढ़ते जाएं। सक्षम होकर अपनी प्रभा को विश्व भर में फैलाएं। आंखों में सफलता के सपने सुहाने, दिल में सच्चे इरादे ठाने। आंखों में सफलता के सपने सुहाने, दिल में सच्चे इरादे ठाने। विद्या ददाति विनयम, विद्या ददाति विनयम। विद्यालय श्री राम, विद्यालय श्री राम। आंखों में सफलता के सपने सुहाने, दिल में सच्चे इरादे ठाने। जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंग। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा। तब शुभ नामे जागे, तब शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तब जय गाथा, जन जन मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे, जय 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 हे।
Thank you, everybody. Now let's end the assembly. Now you may please leave.
Thank you everyone for coming here.